Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Doctor Who, and today I'm going to be showing you my sonic screwdriver collection. Now, I don't really have a lot. I've only got 5, and 2 of them are kind of the same, but I just count them as different ones. I'll go in order of Doctor, I guess. So the first one I have is a classic one. The other classic one I own in it is the 8th Doctor Sonic. I got this on eBay. I won an eBay bid on it, and it does work. And I do kind of regret opening it, but I lost the box, so I can't really put it back in anymore. It's got 4 sounds. But yeah, this is one of my favourite designs, and the classic ones in general because they're quite similar. Next we have the 11th. Which one's the 11th? This is the 11th Doctor Sonic. Barry's died. Yeah, this is the 11th Doctor Sonic, and this is one of the first ever pieces of merchandise I ever got. If you didn't know, I got this along with the big Doctor Encyclopedia that I own, which is over there with books. And I got them two at the same time, and I also got the minifigures, these little, the set of them, the 11 set of 11. And I remember getting all of them and I was very happy. And yeah, this is one of the oldest pieces of merchandise I have in my collection. So I'm so glad to that I still have it. I also have another one, which I just call it. This is basically the 12 Doctors. I'd call it that one. This is the one with the red button on it, which extends and will make it. Well, I don't like this one, to be honest. Like, I prefer being able. It's very sensitive. Like, even. Very sensitive and it doesn't work properly. Yeah. But I still will keep it in the collection always. The next one I have is my favourite. It just set off itself. My favourite design is the 12th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. I got this. I don't remember when I got this, but I did do a review of the Sonic on this channel. I'll leave a link up there or in the description, whichever. And yeah, I do really like this design, and it's really good. It's like really comfortable, like, to hold. Not in this hand, but it is really good to hold. It's very comfortable. That's my favourite one. It's got 4 noises, like most of them, and to get the batteries out, you just twist it, and there you go. You can change the batteries if you need to. But yeah, that's the 12th Doctor Sonic. And finally, I have the 13th Doctor Sonic. I got this from Argos along with the figure, and I kind of wanted to get this, which is the doll, which I know that Aaron has. But yeah, that's the Sonic. If you want to, I will leave a link in the description to a review of this if you want to see an in-depth review. I think you would enjoy that. But yeah. It has I think it's only 3 noises. Right. I think there's only 3 noises. I thought there would be 4. But yeah, this doesn't do anything. I think this was the second I think this was the re-release. I cannot remember. The box. I still own the box. That's the box I've got, so let me know if you know which one it is. I would appreciate to find out. But yeah, that's my Sonic collection. I hope to get the 9th Doctors, 10th Doctors, because like they are kind of the same, but at least one of each. Because I know there's a lot of 10th Doctors versions. The War Doctors, I love the War Doctor Sonic. 3rd Doctor Sonic, 4th Doctor Sonic, 5th Doctor Sonic. I just want to get them all because they are really cool. I do really like them, and I keep them in this mug that I got off my mum one Christmas, and they live on my shelf which you may have seen in some of my previous videos. Maybe my room tour, you may have seen them, which I did. But yeah, that was a short video just showing you my Sonic Screwdriver collection. Let me know in the comments if you own any of these Sonics and what you think of them, or are there any that you don't have that you wish you did own, or any that you hope to buy in the future. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next one on whichever channel, either here on All Things Doctor Who, on my own channel, or on the Time Agents. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!